We will show you how to install Metamask wallet on Firefox browser. First, you can just go to Firefox add-on, go to extensions, and search Metamask. Okay, click Add to Firefox. It will ask you whether it can access your data for all websites and input data to the clipboard. I click Add. Okay, so if you look at this area, there's a Fox Metamask icon over here. So it's enabled on your Firefox browser. If you click the video button, play button, you can watch the video and know how it works. So now we just click Metamask. It displays this is the information about Metamask. Click Accept. Then they show you terms of use. Click Accept. Then you need to input your password. So be sure you use very complicated password. Click Create. So you can see the 12 words over here. They are your seed words. Be sure this information are stored safe and secretly. Nobody can view it. This is like your kind of private key. You cannot disclose to other people. Anyone has this information, they can open your wallet from anywhere. So for my case, I just save seed words as a file and save to my computer. Later, I will copy this file to somewhere not on my computer and be sure nobody can view it. Let's go back. So I click, I have copied somewhere, save. So now you see there's a account is created for you. You can rename the account to something. I say Eric. Okay, save it. So from here you can send the Ethereum or receive the Ethereum from the other people. When you click here, you can see your address, copy address to the clipboard. Then you can see your address. So your name is 06 something something to A. So this is your public wallet address. If you want to view your balance of this account, so it will redirect you to the ethonscan.io. This is your public address. Now you can see your account address here, then your balance. So right now we have a 0 Ethereum and 0 US dollar value. All right. So also you can export a private key. So this one can help you to export a private key, then can use key to restore your account somewhere. So also you can buy the Ethereum. It will redirect you to the Coinbase or other exchange I just show you can do that. Also, you could send Ethereum to somewhere. So if you want to send to someone, you just input, copy and paste that person's public account address here. Then put the amount here, you can send it. So we only introduce this installation for you today. Later, we will show you how to send or receive the Ethereum and other tokens. This tutorial is provided by Weku team. Our website is Weku, wekuio.io. wekuio.io. This is our website. If you have a chance, please visit our blockchain website. Okay, have a good day.